check out Nitrous' new pickup truck instant win competition with a massive 10,000 prize and 3 of the best pickup trucks around. You've got to be in it to win it, so get involved while you can.
Yeah, I've got a damn plan. Thinks he's cool cause he's got some bands. Come against me and you get blam. Yeah, I like my things with a little bit of time. I back the beef, but I swear you ran, so you're not that guy, no you ain't that man. Trying to make it out for the friends and fam, but don't shout me if you move like clown. I'm trying to go up, not down, lost but found, doing up town to town. I wanna get drip, not drowned, like a rich king's crown. Now these ain't just bars, they're vows. Some brothers need
starting with the 2020 Volkswagen Amarok with those 20-inch alloys, the gloss black finish and all-terrain tyres. And next onto the Mercedes 350, which has had a quantum performance upgrade which gives it a massive 300 brake horsepower. And we've saved the best till last. It's a Volkswagen Amarok 2024 MASV and it's only done delivery miles. So if you want to get involved and win one of these beautiful pickup trucks instantly, get yourself over to nitrouscompetitions.com because you've got to be in it to win it.